There is more opportunity than ever, and the only thing that's changing is change. Change is changing at an exponential rate. And so therefore, what happens when change occurs? What happens? It becomes infinitely harder to get somebody's attention. You have to pay more to get their attention, and you have to try harder to get their attention. But if you don't have traffic, you don't have a business. Would you agree with that? No traffic equals no business. So what are the common ways in which people get traffic? Go ahead and type them into the chat box. They're obvious. And there's two ways that people get traffic that supply 76% of all digital advertising. There's two ways and only two ways, which is scary, unfortunately, when you only have two options, essentially. That's called not consumer friendly. Yeah, so you get it through Google and you get it through Facebook. Google, you get it through Google itself, or you get it through YouTube, which is the second biggest search engine in the world, or you get it through Facebook. Believe it or not, Amazon is becoming the third biggest advertising platform in the world. And Amazon, as an ad platform, is the best one I've ever used. It is the most profitable one, and it's the easiest to get an ROI with Amazon paid ads and Amazon marketing services as well. Now, Amazon Media Group, don't touch that. There's a lot of bad Amazon advertising you can buy as well. But Amazon's pay-per-click essentially is the best platform I've ever used. However, it's limited to only products that are sold upon Amazon. And it also has its own problems. So you say, Jason, well, what about free traffic? Well, is there such a thing as free traffic? Does free traffic actually exist? And the answer is, of course not. Time is more expensive than money ever will be. And if you're not paying for it with money, then you're paying for it with time. And most of the free traffic strategies you use end up costing you money anyway to pay for the assets that will help you get the supposed free traffic. Does that make sense? Because I think people, when they hear free traffic, they think it means free. It means I did not exchange money to get in front of this traffic. I exchanged something else. And that something else is usually always more expensive than the money. And anyway, even if you're spending money on traffic, you're still spending time on traffic, are you not? Because these Facebook ads don't write themselves. These Google accounts don't manage themselves. These remarketing campaigns, they don't just automatically fall into place. That takes a lot of effort to set it up, and it takes even more effort to manage it and observe it and see what happens.